Hello, little friends. Look what I have in here. Did you see it? Try again. What's this? I think you saw it now. That's right. It's a sun. And look at the sun. This sun is very happy. This sun is very happy. Very good. When I see the sun, it means that it's sunny. Let's say it together. It's sunny. It's sunny outside. And when it's sunny outside, so hot. Let's say, I'm hot. Can you do it? Can you do it? Try to show it to me. I'm hot. I'm hot. And when I'm hot, what do I want? I want ice cream. Wow. I like ice cream. Let's say it together. I like ice cream. Very good. But I have more than one ice cream. Let's see how many ice creams do I have in here. 1, 2, 3. I have 3 ice creams. I like ice cream. All right, now it's time for a story. Let's say it together. It's story time. I like ice cream.
Grandma likes ice cream. Grandpa likes ice cream.
Grandpa.
Dad likes ice cream.
Let's say it together. Dad. Dad. Dad likes ice cream. Dad likes ice cream. Let's continue.
Mom likes ice cream.
Let's say it together. Mom. Mom. Mom likes ice cream. Mom likes ice cream.
Uncle Ted likes ice cream.
Uncle Ted.
My baby sister likes ice cream. Yummy!
Baby sister.
My brother likes ice cream.
Yummy!
Brother.
I like ice cream too.
Let's say it together. I like ice cream too. I like ice cream too. Can you say it one more time? I like ice cream too.
Yummy!
Yummy! Oh no! Look what happened. The girl now is sad. The girl is sad. Yummy.